Hello, and welcome to this video about teachmathematics.net. I'm going to try and give you a really quick impression of what this site is all about in 2 or 3 minutes. I think it's really worth starting by talking about the principle that we are real classroom teachers working with rich ideas that are inspired by educational research, they're informed by actual classroom practice, and we're making resources that are polished and published on the internet. What really gets us going as teachers is this idea of lessons that we actually look forward to teaching when we're on our way to school in the morning and we know we're going to do a given activity with a given class. And we're really looking forward to it because we know that it is so effective. And that's what this website's aiming to do. It's aiming to be a collection of those ideas. There's already 150 plus of such ideas there, and it's growing, and probably amounts to a total of 200 to 250 hours of classroom or outside the classroom activity for students to do of all kinds of different nature. And I'm going to try and give you a quick flavour of what we've got here. So our structure is fairly straightforward. If you look across the top, we've got the 4 main areas of mathematics. And under each one, we've got the main heading, which is the activities heading, where you can see there's a lot of activities for us to choose from. So if I go on to the geometry activities page, it looks like this. And you can see that there are descriptions of activities with a little image, an idea of how long it might take, and the age group it might be appropriate for. And as we scroll down the page, you can see that there's a really, really long list of all of these activities. If I go to one in particular, like this one about similar triangles, this is one style of activity. This is very much a hands-on practical activity where you can download a set of 24 triangles and some exercises that students have to do with those that really get you to think about what similar triangles means and really explore the links between them to build some profound understanding. Another style of activity, and definitely one of our more popular ones, is this one, Angry Birds, which is based on the popular game and involves working through some tasks using these GeoGebra applets to simulate angry birds hitting their targets by working out which quadratic function is required to do so. Different again is this one on physical world sequences, where the idea is to get students to recognize the links between real things that happen in the world, the graphs and the tables and the numbers that describe them, and really try and reinforce that strong link between the world around us and the mathematics involved to describe it. And then here we have a whole unit of activities that might last 5 or 6 hours on experimental probability, where students are asked to invent their own fairground games, test them, and then put them to trial with some visiting students. And there's a whole range of activities about that. Some that can be done on the computer and some not. And then there's this example of some of our number activities as well, just relating this fascinating history of primes with this particular activity. But again, down the left you can see there's a whole range of different activities to investigate the wonderful world of number. Our sitemap gives you a quick overview of all the things there are on the website. You know, some of the activities are simple, some are complex, some are short, some are long, some involve computers, and some don't. But we like to think that they're all worth it, all worth doing. This is a huge project and one that we think is really important. And we're asking a small subscription fee for access to this set of resources which can really have a positive impact on maths classrooms around the world. So we hope to see you amongst our ranks of subscribers soon. Thank you.